Hey all, hope you're well. We've still got the drought here in Suffolk, the dreaded drought. It's really restricted what we can and can't do in the garden. As you can see, the lawn is just parched, brown, fuzzy concrete at the moment. We're not allowed to water it, which is fair enough. But we are allowed to water with watering cans, so it's just restricted quantities. So I'm doing my level best to try and make sure every evening all the fruit and vegetables are watered, the main stuff. Just to add insult to injury, the winds have come, the drought is still here. Temperatures are slightly dropped because it's been horrendously hot. It's been sort of 30 plus for a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. This drought has gone on now for 7 weeks, I think. But it's just hard to keep on top of everything when the restrictions are so tight. But as I was saying, add insult to injury. We've got some really strong winds now, even though it's still hot. And all my poor sunflowers are waving around like this, so I'm going to have to stake them out, I think. So I managed to get a few things done. We had potatoes in 2 or 3 sacks, so we've harvested those, and I've potted on some of the tomatoes, even though they're a bit late, into some of those sacks. The other tomatoes I've potted on into bigger pots. They're taking some time to maintain water-wise. And also I had some raspberry suckers off our raspberries at the back of the garden that rooted around, so I've dug those up and potted those as well. Hopefully they'll come good. Chickens love pondweed and duckweed. They go mad for it. So this time of year, when there's a lot of sunlight, it produces a lot of weed. So it's a case of digging it all out. It literally grows by the day and puts a blanket through the water that even the goldfish can't swim through. that's today's little haul. So what I'm doing here is turning over the potato sacks, harvesting what I've got, and then I'm going to put tomatoes in these. Well, that's quite poor, but it's my fault because I didn't water them much. Generally it's my fault. What'll happen now is the little tiny potatoes that I haven't spotted and left in there, I'll use this soil all over the garden and they'll be coming up next year. And I'm using my buddleia sticks that I took last season as stakes. So thanks for watching. I hope you haven't been negatively impacted too much with this weather. I know up the Suffolk coast it's been really bad around Dunwich, heath fires, etc. Really, really bad. But with the promise of lower temperatures, hopefully things will get back to normal. As I said before, please like and share if you can, but also follow our websites, which is gardeningdiary.co.uk and gardeningnews.co.uk. Otherwise, I'll see you later on. Do what makes you happy.